A Honda Fit, known for its compact size, is undergoing an extreme transformation into a high-performance rally car. The owner drew inspiration from rally legends, emphasizing agility and speed, while confronting challenges like weight reduction and drivetrain upgrades. Expert mechanics worked tirelessly to install a turbocharged engine, enhancing power significantly, while custom suspension ensures maximum handling on rugged terrain. Personal insights from the owner reveal the dedication behind the build, including late nights in the garage and overcoming technical obstacles. This thrilling journey showcases the creativity and innovation that redefine this unassuming vehicle, setting it on the path to rally glory.